Our team coverage of the winter weather with 7 weather meteorologist Malachi Rogers. Malachi, what's the latest on the system? It's certainly a cold one out there today.
Taylor, absolutely cold, and we continue to track snow in parts of the upstate and western North Carolina. We actually still have our winter storm warning in effect for western North Carolina through midnight tonight in these areas that you see in peak, including Asheville, Hendersonville, and Brevard, where we've tracked about 2-3 inches of snow in many spots. In the upstate of South Carolina, we're also under a winter weather advisory. Greenville, Spartanburg, Cherokee, northern Pickens, and Oconee counties, because we have snow mixed with rain this morning, and now we're going to see temperatures staying quite chilly. We showed you the Biltmore. Here's our live look over downtown Hendersonville, where the snow continues to come down. Not heavy snow, but a moderate amount of snow continuing to fall, and that's been the case through much of the morning. We continue to see these snow showers in Brevard, Asheville, Hendersonville, down to Tryon, and in the upstate, it's mostly rain right now. Wasn't the case earlier. We were dealing with some snow in parts of northern Spartanburg County near Boiling Springs and Landrum, but now this is mostly rain, and it continues down towards Anderson and into Abbeville. So our forecast for today keeps the rain, keeps the snow around at least till around 2 or 3 o'clock. Then we start to dry out, and we see temperatures start to fall into the low 30s. We'll tell you what that means as we head into the weekend coming up in my 7-day forecast.
All right, thanks, Malachi. We continue our team coverage with 7 News' Christine Scarpelli. She joins us live from one of the snowier parts of western North Carolina. Christine, Hendersonville saw a good amount of snow this morning. Good morning. Good afternoon.
Hendersonville might have, here in Asheville in Buncombe County, not so much right now. Lots of snow this morning for sure. We saw a lot of big flakes, about ½ an inch in diameter. Here now, a lot of those temperatures are rising, so you're not seeing as much snow accumulating on the ground. We do have some video from this morning, though. Really impressive stuff. Right downtown Asheville, in West Asheville area, the Aston Park area, you could really see a lot of that snow. It was accumulating early, 5, 6, even into 7 in the morning. You can see a lot of it there, just packing down. It was really good packing snow. Department of Transportation was out in full force this morning. You could see a lot of that salt and brine solution coming right there off the truck, sticking on the roads in many parts, and that's to make sure that when those temperatures do drop, that the roads don't become as slippery or as they might be without that brine solution. Right now, though, very wet here in the Asheville area, driving up through Henderson County, a lot of wet roads as well. Those can become slippery very quickly. Here in Brevard Road, where we are right at Interstate 240, we were seeing a couple cars that were spinning out a little bit, just slipping on those wet, soggy roads, trying to make it up the rather steep hill here at Brevard Road. So again, watch out for that. As far as schools go, Henderson County, you're off the hook. No school for teachers or students today. They are taking a day off, and this was in anticipation of some power outages possibly. Buncombe County does have some online assignments, so look out for those. We are live here in Buncombe County. Christine Scarpelli, 7 News.
All right, Christine, we love to see that snow coming down. We continue our team coverage now in Spartanburg County, where most of the snow has turned into rain now. That's where we find 7 News' Jennifer Martin. Jennifer, what are you seeing out there? What are the conditions like?
You're exactly right. It is turned into rain since we've been out all morning. A little bit of snow mixed in there, but it's mostly rain. Very light drizzle coming down. You can see the snow around me. It's about an inch, I'd say, that we've seen here, maybe less than that. But we are here off of Highway 11. This is between Chesney and Fingerville, and I just talked to Spartanburg County Emergency Services, the director there, who said that this area is the area that saw probably the most snow across Spartanburg County. Now, across Spartanburg County, we did see that school districts closed for slippery conditions on the road, turning to an e-learning day today. And also emergency services did say that people who are out on the road should watch for slippery conditions and especially take care on bridges. That's because there could be ice on those bridges, something we experienced when we were out early this morning. And so that's something that could get worse as the day progresses and as temperatures drop. But right now it's about 35 degrees here in Spartanburg County. And that winter weather advisory that Malachi was talking about is in effect for Spartanburg County, Greenville, until midnight tonight. So something to watch out for, and best just to stay home if you can. Live in Spartanburg County, Jennifer Martin, 7 News.
All right, Jennifer, thank you. Stay warm out there. Don't forget, you can get the latest updates on the forecast with our free 7 Weather app. To get it, just search WSBA in your app store. Developing